like the little lace right there for your part. And I have several wig grips, but I have been wanting to try this. So let's go ahead and take it out. This one is black. You can see this wig grip has a Velcro connection. It's a nice strong one actually, and you can sort of adjust it to where you would need it. It has the velvet, and how you put it on is you would run your finger against on the velvet, and where you can feel the velvet sort of pushing against your finger, that's the part that needs to be going back. So whenever, just think about the fact that like when you're pulling back on your wig, it needs to grip onto the velvet in order to stay. And then it does have this lace bit here. Essentially it's supposed to be made so like if you're not wearing a wig cap or whatever, like you won't see it as much. So I'm going to put this where my lace parting would be. I'm going to come around my head and go to the base. You don't want it to move, but you don't want it to be too tight either. Ooh, this is very, very comfortable. I just want to look at it from behind. So this is what the wig grip is going to look like. So if you're looking at that part, so you're not going to see the wig grip, you're just going to see the lace part. So I can tug on this wig and it's not going anywhere, so that's nice. I like it. This wig grip though does feel much thinner, so not as bulky as this one does. So I mean, just in general, that's a plus. And I do feel like the other benefit to having the lace there is just the fact that you wouldn't have the bulkiness of the velvet in the parting area, which I think for some people can make it so it doesn't lay as flat. I mean, it's definitely slightly more comfortable, and like I said, this part is laying flatter. Overall, I enjoy this. I do think it's a little just slimmer, and you know, it's a little bit sleeker right at the part. But other than that, yeah, I really enjoy this. If this is the type of thing you would like to have one with the lace parting, I think this would be a nice one. I think so far so good.